Hello, my friends. I started a video on a larger canvas. I loaded up the cups and then I realized I didn't have enough paint for that large canvas, so I had to stop and get a smaller one ready. So I'm sorry, I've already filled up the cups, but what I have in here is leftover paints from a previous pour, this Artist Loft Ready Mixed Paints, which I have mixed with Floetrol and Glue mix. I'll put the ratios down below. So my plan is to just do a kiss pour now, and maybe throw some ribbons on it if I have enough paint and if I decide it needs it. So here we go, just pouring at the same time. Sure like to see some color. Here it comes. I know this must be very boring for you. You can't see anything I'm doing here, but it's about done. Okay. Well, I hope more color comes through as I tilt it, because it's pretty boring right now. I think I'll add a little white to this cup and do some ribbony thing. And same with here. And I had loaded up the cups in the opposite order, same colors, but one I started with the red, and the other one I started with violet. So where's the color? I'll stay in the cup. For the most part, just turned lavender. Oh well, that's okay. Well, let's see what happens. It's a shame I'm going to lose those nice lines, but there's no getting around that. I'm happy to see the colors are perking up. It looked so washed out and pale when I started, didn't it? Sorry about the glare. I've been doing a lot of experimenting with these Artist Loft paints, the ready mixed, trying to stretch them rather than use them straight out of the bottle, and pretty happy with the results so far. I do wish I had not done the ribbon thing yet. It didn't really help do much. This mix is moving very slowly because of the glue. But that's okay. I'd rather have it thicker than thinner. That's kind of pretty. I'm going to come back down. Let me set it down. I'm going to come down here and fix up this. Well, I need coverage for this corner, and I don't like what's going on here, so I'm going to run that off, and then I'll see if I can't get some better ribbons on top of this. I'm not worried about these tiny little corners. Always working with the weight of the paint on the canvas. Come on. It's very, very stubborn. Wow, it is just not moving. But as I'm tilting it, I'm liking what's going on here with the purple and the red. It's finally getting down to that corner. Okay. Now, all right, let's size it up. It's kind of fun. Yeah, it needs more interest as far as I'm concerned. So I'm going to take what I have in this cup. I'm going to scrape all the rest of the paint from my original cups into there and then do some ribbon. So I'll pause. You don't need to watch me scrape. Okay, I'm back. I added some red, yellow, green, and blue to what was in the cup. So here we go. That was a good one. I'm going to go over this washed out thing there. Good. Oh. I hate when I miss it like that. I was pouring too fast or something, and I just missed a whole section there. It's really hard to, I think I'll just leave it alone. It's very hard to try to fix that. I don't really want to tilt it because I like the thin lines I've got going. Where else? I love red against the blue. It really vibrates. And of course against the green, complementary colors side by side really pop. Look at that. So I have some more red here. What to do? I'm sorry. I like to think about it. Okay, I did a little. Oh, did it again. Okay, I'm going to stop. That's kind of fun. Let me bring in for a closer look. I haven't tried this ring and ribbon with this mix. I've used it with the Artist Loft Flow Acrylics, not Flow Acrylics, excuse me, Ready Mix straight, and it works great. But I've not used it with this glue and Floetrol mix. But I think it's going to work. I can just kind of tell how it is now. It hasn't. It's just staying put, and I think that's due to the addition of the glue. Look at that! Isn't that fun? Right there. Yeah, I'm happy with it. The composition isn't the greatest, but I was just testing this medium. Let me pull it out so you can see the whole thing. Yeah, I think it's okay. Let me know what you think. Give it a try and tell me your results. Thanks for joining me, folks. Bye now.